So here it is all put together. Finally got the stickers put in, batteries put in, and just go over some of the sounds and lights and stuff. So we get the back here. Should fire up. I forget which button it is. There we go. Flashing blue, and then it kind of just keeps like a engine sound on. Yeah, that nice blue glow. Pretty awesome. Get some flight sounds.
Hold them off. Angle the deflector shield while I charge up the main gun.
This thing is very loud. The speaker is very loud on this.
Okay, stay sharp.
That's a good thing. Is the escape pod on that? No, on the other side. The escape pod open. There's that. Goes back in. Just I love the little like rusty looking spots and all the scoring. Love how it hides the battery compartment so well. Take off the vents, battery compartment. Barely tell. Some cockpit noises.
What's that flashing? We're losing the deflector shield. Both strap yourselves in. I'm going to make the jump to light speed.
Some open this up. So I noticed if to open this up, you gotta like kind of push back as you're lifting up to get it to kind of stick in there. Otherwise, it pops right off. But yeah, here's the cockpit with the stickers on it. Got Hondo on a little screen in there. 4-seater. I wish they would have colored the doorway a little bit, but it's got some molding on there. You could add your own coloring if you wanted. And some stickers there as well. And the oh yeah, get the gun action. So over on the other side here, this little switch. So then I guess we can. I got that dish on there, but you also got the new sequel trilogy one. Let's see if I can get the lights in here. That button maybe starts it. There you go. So let's go inside here and check out the interior. I want to take off. It's kind of layered. You just kind of pull up on this little piece right here. That part comes off. So we got the doors right there. Prefer to leave them open a little bit so it looks like that goes down in there. Got the little medic bed that Luke lays on. And then doorway goes to the cockpit. And some other little details. We got another Hondo image there. And then another sticker. And the nice coloring. The little like peach coloring we got going on. And then makes a nice little tunnel shot to the seating area. So let's get that off here. Just kind of lift it out. Got the little game board there. I think it lights up. Which button lights it up? There we go. Looks like it's that one.
It's not wise to upset a Wookiee.
The Han's little control panel. Another little like tunnel shot there. The training ball, and then through that little door is where the escape pod is. Just absolutely love the detail on these seats. Old, it's been through a lot of years. The yellow and all the grime in between. Saw one guy review or post a picture on Instagram or something saying they forgot to put in the actual seats. It was just like a bare, plastic part like that. Yeah, you also got the floor panels down there that come off. Gun there. Oh yeah, and the let's see, this part too. It won't really translate right here, but ramp that comes down, snaps back in. You get a shot of these lights in the cockpit also.
Come on, come on! Switch over. Let's hope we don't have a burnout.
Pretty cool. See them still when it's closed up a little bit also.
She may not look like much, but she's got it where it counts, kid.
So I know there's just overall such a big difference in the paint apps and things, and with the weathering compared to the previous releases of this, but I thought one area that was a big difference that I thought maybe somehow, how could they have forgotten to paint these, are these little vents right here in the middle. And upon further review of some drone footage from Galaxy's Edge, I realized that those aren't black anymore. If you go back to, to the original movies and even the sequel trilogy, those are definitely black, and with the previous releases of this, they are black, but yeah, at the parks, it is no longer black, so they left them just, they're a little dirty, but definitely not black anymore. So I guess that about does it. Yeah, this thing is a beast and well worth it. So thanks for watching, and see you in another video.